So what? So what?
So in the US, you can't allow kids to work on their own.
Of course not. Oh, babe, look. It's beautiful. I don't know what that is way out there.
That's a sheep.
A ship
Yeah.
that's out there.
Look at that rainbow.
Where? Yeah.
What's the rainbow, you know?
This is so beautiful. Uh,
The sandy place over here.
um, right here should be fine.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Right?
Yes. Oh,
Alright, you can do your video now.
this is nice fish, but I don't want to do too much talking. So tell you what we have here for that we got from Havana Beach, from the Havana Beach restaurant. Because you know my voice is still going. So can you say?
Hold on.
We got fish. This is tilapia fish with
Plantain,
plantain with
the
sauce.
tomato sauce. And you also have fried chicken and French fries, with also the same tomato sauce and ketchup.
Yes, and he already had noodles and eggs earlier. So this is good. Their food is really good here too. So if you ever in the Cotonou area or come to Cotonou, stop by Havana Beach. Mine, I think yours might be a little bit clearer, but this is doing all right for now. Let's see. Let's see.
freaking weekend, they about to have me some fun. First time I've been in the stretch now all day. We got food everywhere, as if the party was catered. We got fellas to my left, honeys on my right. We bring them both together, we got beauty all night. And after the show, it's the party, yeah. After the party, it's the chill out, yeah. I'm about to tell you, gotta live a life, yeah. Take it to your home, man.
Alright, it's on a Thursday morning and we're about to eat. So this is what we're going to eat in this big bowl. Let me say plate.
Yes.
Yeah, so what do we have here?
Well, we work as a unit. Yesterday I boiled turkey legs, and excuse my voice because you know I'm still recovering. I boiled turkey legs and then I fried them, and my husband made the noodles in the ugu leaf this time and the boiled eggs. And yes, I do know how to prepare the ugu leaf. It's very simple, and you see it still has the very green texture that lets you know not to boil it more than no more than 5 minutes, and you'll always add it last in your soups or your sauces, whatever you're making. I really love ugu leaf because it reminds me so much of turnip greens and excuse me, and collard greens back home. But anyway, this is what we're having for this morning for breakfast.
Okay, so we'll say prayer and then we eat. Oh, breakfast in bed. Lovely.
I want to take y'all back old school. Comment down in the comment section and tell me who remember this. Even though we used to probably didn't use the brag vinegar, salt, and cucumbers. That was a back in the day staple for me growing up. Tell me who remember this. Alright guys, this is what I cooked today. I told my husband that he need to start eating some American stuff as well. So it can't just all the time be African stuff, African foods. So this here is a spinach wrap with steak in it, cabbage, corn, and shrimp. And we have cucumbers and tomatoes here. And of course, you already know he has his rice, his stew with his vegetable sauce. And so this is what makes an intercultural relationship work.
you basically have to sacrifice and make sacrifices then for each other pretty much. And you know, if this person is not from this region, you gotta intertwine. I eat African food a lot, so he has to try to cultivate the thing of eating American food as well. So anyway, guys, this is our lunch for today.